Welcome back here to 10 Tampa Bay. The weekend is upon us and we want to know what's it going to be like.
I know. Happy Friday to you.
Yes.
Happy finally Friday. And it's November, a new month, new beginnings, new opportunities.
Yes.
But no new pattern right here because it's still not going to be that much cooler than we were in the month of October. 70 degrees for you right now, feeling just a little mild, a little muggy out there, not too crazy yet, just a little uncomfortable with 65 for that dew point. Clear and dry on downtown Tampa's sky camera there. Visit TampaBay.com. Radar showing us that it's clear and dry outside. And remember that you can stream this radar 24/7 on our 10 Tampa Bay Plus app. Download that, especially if you have Roku on your TV or on your app store on your phone. And you can check it out all the time and take weather with you wherever you need to go. Temperature-wise, we're sitting at 66 right now for Trinity, 67 for Riverview. Wider lookout, we see 66 for Frostproof and 64, so cooler north of I-4 for Crystal River, and winds are not going to be gusting too much today, so they come down a little bit today. We continue to see that we are going to have a lot of sunshine over the next 12 hours as well. Seeing temperature-wise that we get up into the 80s again, but we don't have those nice breezy conditions like we did yesterday to keep us a little bit cooler. So we have to deal with 85 today for Land O'Lakes, 85 for Mulberry, 86 for Apollo Beach, 86 there for Clearwater and Sarasota and down to Venice. And our really warmest spot is Northport all the way south, 88 degrees potentially today. Another thing is we do have still a moderate chop for those bays, and those winds at times could gust to 20 miles per hour near the coast, but mostly sustained between 10 to 15 miles per hour. But our Gulf wave heights are still elevated somewhat. So with that in mind, just make sure to exercise caution out there, boaters, for me today, because we do have that moderate chop to the water. And we do see these winds are not gusting as much, which is some good news. Now tomorrow, we're going to continue to climb and get all the way back up into the 90s once again, seeing low end rain chances too. So that's another thing that we want to talk about. And in addition to that, your 3-day forecast showing us that we have a nice weekend lined up. The only thing I would say is that we're going to be drier today, only 10% chance for rain. Tomorrow we see a weak cold front move through. It's not going to be strong enough though to really bring our temperatures down. So just a heads up there. Sunday will be mostly sunny, and you can see this. We only see a 10% chance for rain because a quick little spritz or moving shower, that's about it. And this is 6 o'clock, partly cloudy. We have a few clouds overnight. Saturday, we're waking up nice and dry. However, by the time we hit about, I would say lunchtime, you start to see some of our inland zones getting some of those rain chances, about 20 to 30% there. And that's all associated with our weak cold front. Now, aside from that, they're going to continue to push towards the west, but we have a really nice weekend up ahead after that front pushes through and we get rid of those shower chances and we turn back that clock heading into Sunday. Will still remain in the 80s, not seeing very many chances for rain today. Your 7-day forecast shows us highs in the 80s all throughout the next 7 days into next week. Two major key things I need you to remember for me. Remember to set those clocks heading into this weekend, and we get an extra hour of sleep and all smiles come Monday because we'll be well rested for once, right? And then we also see Tuesday, that is your time to vote. Please make sure you get out there. Remember to do that. And honestly, I would just go ahead and vote right now if you can, because there's going to be some long lines. But if you are waiting out there to vote, just think about this: 20% chance for rain. Not really bad to stand in line. However, it is just going to be feeling kind of warm with that high temperature of 88. That's going to be probably our warmest day on this 7-day forecast. So definitely maybe you want to take one of those little portable fans with you if you can, if you're waiting in line to vote. But recapping for you today, high temperature of 86, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, 10% chance of rain. Will be breezy today, breezy tomorrow, but we do see our rain chances begin to go up. Make sure to turn back those clocks and do not forget to vote heading into next week. We're talking about next Tuesday already. And we continue to see also that we do really have a really nice weekend up ahead. So here's what we have: 20% chance of rain right here, right? So the stray shower comes on through. We see that high of 86 moving in, and then we also have just warm and breezy conditions persisting into Sunday. So remember that that clock needs to go back right around 2 a.m. So that's when we'll end daylight savings time. And unfortunately for some of you, I know you hate to see it, but we are going to lose some of that daylight. But hey, I'm thankful we get an extra hour of sleep. So recapping one more time before you head out the door: 86 for your high today, breezy, 20% chance for rain tomorrow. Don't forget to vote come next week. Guys,